In this video, we will show you how to make beautiful 3D ladder collage. You might be thinking of decorating your interior with precious moments of your life in a unique way. Now, you can easily do it with Pro 9431 and FCX 4000. First, make your design including photos you desire and print it with Pro 9431. Then cut it with FCX 4000. Your 3D ladder collage is here in no time. Easy and quick. Great for gifting option for any occasion. To know more about full digital label printing and packaging solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.